Hello friends, this is the seventh part of the series of PDF using Java. In this video, I will talk about how to convert the pages of PDF files into images. So let me discuss with the required classes first. The first one is PD document to load the PDF file, and then the PDF renderer class to render each page into image, and finally the image IO util class which will write each image to the destination file. So I need only three classes here. First one to load the PDF file, second one to scroll each page and render it into the image, and the image IO util class to write the images into the destination file. So let's go to work on it. The first step is to load the PDF file using PD document class. Now let me add a function as PDF to image inside my favorite class PDFdemo.java, which file is continuously I am using for the PDF using Java video series. So let me start private static void PDF to image with a string of PDF path. So this parameter will help me to get the PDF file name, and now I will add a try block for PD document to load the PDF file. Thus I have loaded my PDF file in the DOC document object. Now create the PDF renderer object by passing the document object, and now I need to create the PDF renderer object with the parameter as doc. Now convert each page of PDF file into buffered image. Now I need to scroll through each page. So let me add a for loop. Get number of pages is the function to get the number of pages in the PDF file, and then incrementation for the page, and inside this loop I need to render each page into the image. So let me use buffered image BIM as a reference variable, and let me use the rendered image with DPI, and pass the page object with the DPI as 300 and image type as RGB. So what is this? PDF renderer dot render image with DPI method, passing page, that 300 as DPI and image type as RGB. So in this way I have created a buffered image object. Now I need to write the image into the destination file. So for destination file we will keep some strategy for the file name, and now I need to use image IO util class to write this image into certain file. For this I need to make a strategy for the file name. So I am going to create file name as my directory where I will keep my file class image plus page plus and the extension name as png, and then I will call image io_util.write image and pass the buffered image object with the file name and with the DPI. So thus I have written the image object into the destination file, and here my for loop finishes. When the for loop will finish, I will have all the pages of my PDF file into image file. Since we have written all the pages in the form of image, so after visiting all the pages of PDF file, we need to close the document objects called the close method. So let me close the document and this is what I need to convert all the pages of a PDF file to image. Now I'm going to check this program. I'm going to call PDF to image and passing my file name as e:/PDF. Let me check the merged. This I have made in the previous video to merge all these 4 files into one. I am going to convert all the pages of this merged.pdf file into images. So e:/PDF demo and merge.pdf, e:/PDF demo, or I can also use my dir, that is the constant for my folder, plus mers.pdf. So let me run the program. That there is 4 files made with image 0, image 1, image 2 and image 3 inside the PDF demo directory, and you can check all the images. The first file, the second file, the third file and the fourth file in image format. So in this way we can add a small method to convert all the pages of a PDF files into image file. And instead of scrolling this, if you need to convert a particular page, you can just find out the page number and then pass a particular page here, and you can have image file for that page only. It's upon you how can you use this program. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I will be here soon with a new exciting video on some new hot topic similar to this. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe your favorite channel, Java Mitra. Thank you.